Hi everyone. This topic we will talk about how to use Delta DIADesigner linked with Delta MS300 VSD. So you can see system architecture is very simple. We just install the DIADesigner, then we link to MS300 with a USB cable. So here I will provide two methods to link with Delta MS300. First, we just simply open the DIADesigner, then click the guide, and then we select the correct serial port and click Start Detect. After that, you will see it find successfully and will show the model name. Then we can click the Add Device. After that, you will enter the main page of DIADesigner. Then you can double-click for the parameter setting. And here, remember to modify the P0.20 and 21 to 1 and 2. That means we will give the frequency command from RS485. That means we simply use the software to provide the frequency command and the run stop command from DIADesigner software. Okay, another way you can use the trace function. That means the scope software scope function to see the frequency command or frequency command current and also like a DC bus or any other information you want to check. And here just let you know we can modify the frequency over here and can check the run stop and control run stop from the software. Again, here I would remind you again, if you never use a Delta DIAStudio, you can register a member on DIAStudio.deltaworldwide.com. Then you, after register member, you can log in. Then you can go to the download center, click download. Then you can get the DIAStudio version 1.1. After you download this file, you will see the name will call DIAInstaller. After you download DIAInstaller, then you will get other software like Account Manager, DIADesigner, DIAScreen, DIASelector, etc. And besides here, I want to show you, you can also click the FAQ. So here you will find more information to guide you how to modify or some application note you can find from here. Okay, so now let's back to the software. Okay, as you can see here, we have the advanced mode and the basic mode. So this is the basic mode that you can click Add Device from here. So for example, for the Delta VSD, you can see it will support C2000 series, like C2000, C2000 Plus, high speed, CFP, CH, and CP. Then we got the M300 series, like ME, MH, MH high speed, MS300, MH300 high speed. Here we got also the EL series, and the final one is the MPD series. Okay. Let's switch back to the advanced mode. Then we click here for the Inverter Wizard. And of course, if you want to use servo, you can use this one. Then we select the correct serial port. And you can see the connection status is no connection. After that, we can click. So you will see this one now establish the connection successfully. Then we click here to add the device. Okay, after that, here you can see some basic information from the device information. You can check like the firmware version, the rated current. Then one more thing here for the configuration, that if you install the communication card, then you can do some basic setting over here. Then let's go to the parameters. Here you will find a lot of function we provide over here. So basically, if you want to download all the parameters from your software to VSD, you can click this one. And if you want to upload from VSD to software, then you can click this one. And here also some other function. And you can also import the file, parameter file. Okay, for example, now we try to upload the parameters from VSD to DIADesigner. So it basically will take some time. So just keep waiting for a while. So you can see totally it will have 96 parameters. And then we can click the commissioning. So here you can see we provide the software scope function, and it will support 4 channel. So you can see from here, first one we will monitor the frequency, and we also offer some other functions, so you can check from what information you want to observe. Okay, so here we use the frequency command, output frequency command, output current, and DC bus voltage. And this one is the key page. It will synchronize with the key page, so we can modify also from here. And remember, that's back to the parameters 20 and 21. So you can see now the value is 1 and 2. So if you want to modify to 0, input value to 0, then you just click this one, it will become 0, and click this one, becomes 0. But today's example, we will use a frequency command and the wrong stop control from IS485, means the software. So here, please remember to modify this to 1 and 2. And now we will show you the commissioning. Before that, please click this one to go online first. So you can see here, the drive will become a green light. After that, click this one to start. And then we can scroll down and click run. Okay, and then we can click stop. And we can click run again. Okay, then stop. Once the drive stop, then we can stop the scope and we can check some basic information. For example, we want to see what is the acceleration from 0 Hz to 50 Hz. So you can see roughly it will take 10 seconds around here. And you may wonder where we can modify this one. So let's back to the parameter setting. So you can see it's basically for the acceleration time in P1 12 and P1 13. So now we can move this one. Okay. Oh, sorry, we move this one to here first. Then we can check for the acceleration is also around 10 seconds. And here you can see we move this one and can see the value varies with position. So you can use this software scope to check the information of our inverter. And of course here we have one more function for the horizontal measuring. So you can see like this one, we can also measure the gap. Okay, and One more thing you can see here, we also offer the POC function. This one is for the VSD level with built-in POC function, so you can do some POC programming inside. So that's all for today. Thank you.